Looks like we actually have some original elevators. What? Sounds like Otis.
What the hell?
That were nurses as well as a geriatric nurse, an RN. That's what she would call these elderly. This was a train wreck. We got another train wreck.
Yeah, right, yeah.
I'm just like, so that's what
Well,
I
you
feel
know,
like.
a train wreck would be someone with bad,
I feel like
would be with bad pulmonary disease and heart failure. That's a train. That's a
well, yeah, I
that's a
know
rough
what you
wreck.
mean, but you know, it's not like I'm gonna be playing any tennis or golfing. I can't even swing a golf club now. I haven't played my drums like I said 3 or 4 months. This is,
Actually, I got to go back.
oh,
I
okay.
got to press 3.
All right.
See you later. Bye-bye.
See you later.